Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Aiza's Taste Buds. Today I'm sharing a easy breakfast pancake recipe. So let's see how to prepare this. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Mix this for a minute and then crack one medium-sized egg which is at room temperature. Mix this well until all the sugar, egg and butter are well combined. To this I am adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 6 tablespoons of milk. To this mixture add 3/4 cup of maida and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Mix this well until you get a smooth batter. Pour 1 ladle of pancake batter on the pan and cook this covered on a medium to low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip the pancake to the other side and cook for 1 more minute. When it is done, transfer this to a plate and continue the same with the remaining batter. All our pancakes are ready here. Let's start plating them. Place one pancake on the plate and spread 2 teaspoons of chocolate spread. Spread the chocolate all over the pancake and place sliced strawberries. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please press the subscribe button. On top of this, place one more pancake and spread 2 teaspoons of chocolate spread. After spreading the chocolate, place sliced bananas on top of it. Here you can add any fruit of your choice like kiwi, mango or any other berries. Continue the same with the remaining pancakes with alternate layers of strawberry and banana. When you're done placing all the pancakes, dust with some powdered sugar and this is optional. If you like this recipe, please press the like button and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another recipe. Until then, take care.